So you can see the dough has spread out. So this is 35 minutes later. So again, I'm going to do another coil fold. So putting the hands underneath the dough, letting it coil under itself, turning it around, and then through the middle, up and over, and the plastic bag back on. And as you do this, just keep an eye on the surface. You can start to see these little bubbles here, fermentation bubbles. So that's a good healthy sign. And the dough's looking good. So this next time I'm going to leave it for a little bit longer, maybe 40 minutes. So the cover goes back on. Make sure that there's lots of room for the dough to rise so it doesn't get stuck, and let it rest.